South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.
I did what my heart said. जब पूरे घर ने अविनाश को जज करा,
Absolutely.
है ना, पूरे घर ने अविनाश को जज करा था, इंक्लूडिंग ईशा।
Isha.
तो भाई ये तो रियलिटी शो है ना,
Yeah.
स्क्रीन प्ले थोड़ी है कि सुबह एक लिस्ट आएगी आपको इन ऑर्डर 1 2 3 4 5 लोगों से लड़ना है।
Today your friendship has soured a little bit. When was it that you realized that this is a friendship that is going bad?
I am here with a lot of good memories. I've conquered my fear of being in a captive reality.
Yeah.
I have, somewhat won over my anger. They wanted me to throw things, lose it on every random person, including the press. They said, he's not playing the game. So how did I reach the top today? That I was a fair player and I did not take an advantage of being the ladla.
Well, he didn't win Big Boss, but I think he won a lot of hearts. And if I have to say, then he was my most favorite contestant on Big Boss 18. Vivian Disana joins me for a conversation only on Galata India. Thank you so much. Firstly, I'm going to ask you this because I spoke to Nuran. I actually liked you, but I started loving you after I did this conversation with Nuran. Because there were a lot of layers to your personality that didn't come out before she came. Do you feel because you're a quiet person, you took your time to get into the game and people judged you for that and kept saying कि अरे game नहीं खेल रहा, game नहीं खेल रहा.
तो गेम खेलना तो मुझे वैसे भी नहीं आता। अगर गेम खेलना आता तो जिंदगी में बहुत सारे लोगों ने धोखे दिए हैं, एक भी नहीं मिला होता। Correct?
That's true.
So I did what my heart said. I had one very simple intention. मुझसे किसी का गलत नहीं होना चाहिए। किसी चीज़ को मैं प्री कंसीव नोशन या बिना समझे जज ना करूँ। वो क्या होता है ना, लोगों को लगता है कि यार सब ओपिनियन दे रहे थे और ये चुपचाप बैठ के देख रहा था, तो वो मैं इसलिए देख रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को खामखा की ओपिनियन नहीं देनी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक इंसिडेंट बताऊँ, जब पूरे घर ने अविनाश को जज करा,
Absolutely.
है ना, पूरे घर ने अविनाश को जज करा था, इंक्लूडिंग ईशा।
Isha.
सिर्फ मैं एक इंसान था जो वहाँ चुपचाप बैठा था और अविनाश की सुन रहा था। और इवेंचुअली हुआ क्या, सबने माफी मांगी अविनाश से।
That's true.
और जब मैंने अविनाश की तरफ देखा, उसने मेरे को इशारा करा, भाई यू डिडंट डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग। सो इसीलिए कि भाई मुझसे किसी का गलत ना हो जाए, बस मेरा यही इंटेंशन था। और सिंपल था यार कि किसी का दिल ना दुखाऊं, कोई मेरी वजह से परेशान ना हो। ऑफ कोर्स जहाँ इरिटेट हुआ तो एक्सप्रेस करा है। अब वो किसी का कहना है कि ये उससे लड़ना चाहिए था, नहीं लड़ा, तो भाई ये तो रियलिटी शो है ना,
Yeah.
स्क्रीन प्ले थोड़ी है कि सुबह एक लिस्ट आएगी आपको इन ऑर्डर 1 2 3 4 5 लोगों से लड़ना है। I did what my heart said and I will always do what my heart says.
Absolutely. And that's why we love you.
Thank you.
Nuran said this wonderful thing that you knew Karanveer before you entered the show. So there were, of course, a little bit of expectation that maybe you will find a friend there, right? Today your friendship has soured a little bit. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई है। उन्होंने एक जूनियर आर्टिस्ट वाला कमेंट के बारे में जो बात किया है जब वो आई थी अंदर, when was it that you realized that this is a friendship that is going bad?
Yeah, see, what happens is, I'm somebody who cannot hold things against people in his heart. I don't get sleep at night. So I like to get rid of those things. So I got rid of those feelings. I left it in Big Boss's house. I am here with a lot of good memories. I've conquered my fear of being in a captive reality.
Yeah.
I have, somewhat won over my anger. This is what people were expecting for for me not to do. They wanted me to throw things, lose it on every random person, and just get into a fist fight or a fight for no reason. We are all humans. At some point of time, we usually overreact. I just wanted to conquer that part. My intention to be there was just to come out as a better human being. And as far as people pointing fingers at me is concerned, this is not the first time people are pointing fingers at me. Throughout my career, people have said things. It didn't matter to me. See, I'm still the same height. God has been kind. I'm been blessed with more fans.
That's true.
So, the more fingers you raise at me, my fans are only going to increase. That's what I learned from it.
That's true.
Keep raising fingers. And everybody in the house raised fingers on me. including the press, they said he's not playing the game. So how did I reach the top 2 then?
Did it hurt you when you didn't win
I didn't win what?
the show? Because everybody kept calling you
My
Ladla,
you know, I'm
Ladla,
feeling-
that people are being
I'm
biased
feeling.
towards you.
See, biased?
But do you feel that people were biased towards you because other people
No,
felt that they were
but
biased
no,
towards
no, no.
somebody
One
else?
second. They said we were expecting from Ladla, which means I had an upper hand. That is what it means, right?
Yeah.
So did I take advantage of the upper hand? So that's a compliment that I was a fair player and I did not take an advantage of being the Ladla.
Absolutely.
And I gave everybody a fair chance. I put my opinion where I wanted. I didn't want to put my opinion, I didn't. Simple as that. And why will it hurt? I know my fans are very emotional and they're very hurt. But guys, I did my best. You guys did your more than best. And I just love you all. And I think whatever I am today, not only from my Bigg Boss journey, in my career as a professional, is because of you people. And I can only promise and I can only work hard कि guys, अगला वाला पिछले वाले प्रोजेक्ट से बेटर होगा इंशाल्लाह.
Finally, जाते तो यही बोलूँगा कि there was a softer side of, like you said, everybody expected you to be aggressive, angry. In the beginning, everybody was comparing you to Siddharth Shukla, but suddenly there was this softer side where you were very logical, you were very mature, you were a problem solver, and I feel that the softer side came also when your child came and Nuran came inside the house in the family week, and also when Shilpa ji was leaving. There were so many things that happened between Shilpa ji and you, but there was a moment which is a very sweet moment everybody's taken notice that आप लोगों में झगड़ा हो रहा था, ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती. There's a next 50 days, how they call it, and then she was crying and you come and you just wipe her tears and you just go. These are the moments. That emotional side. What do you have to say about that?
See, I think, everybody has that emotional side. It's to each his own, how they feel and how they express. You mentioned Shukla. People have no idea. But I have seen a softer side
Absolutely.
to Shukla in Argentina, personally sitting one-on-one. It is one of the most beautiful things I've seen personally. And we were both together talking about something. May Allah always bless him. I miss him a lot. I do. And, I still remember, he gave me a name. And he used to tell Colors people that, if an event he would reach earlier than me, he would just go and say, "Tumhara tiger aaya kya?" So, that man will always stay close to my heart. Unfortunately, I was not in the country at that point of time. But may Allah always bless him. So he also had a softer side in case
Absolutely.
people don't know about it.
Absolutely here.
So I have seen it.
Yeah.
And my emotional moments with people. So yeah, what I felt is what I did. If somebody wants to judge it, so see, there has never been a point where people have not judged me for anything,
Yeah.
In fact, I had heard statements. I had heard one statement, I think during the second press conference, that if Vivian wins, people will say, Ladla won. And if he doesn't win, people will say, being Ladla also, he couldn't win. Like, seriously, I don't have anything else to say apart from this. So if I win, is a problem for somebody. If I don't win, is a problem. So I think that's a person's problem.
Absolutely.
Not my problem.
Absolutely.
I am happy. I'm a positive person. I look at life. You see, so many hearts I've won.
That's true. Thank you so much. And yes, I don't know about others, but you will always be somebody that I will look up to and say that, okay,
Thank
this
you
was a
very
good
much.
man on a show who actually played with all his heart. So thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm glad that you said that.
South India's #1 travel brand. You know you are special when you're with GT Holidays.